for 6,000.
Ooh. Saw that hand first. Bang.
Don't fall on you. Stack it. Stack up.
You called bang before you turned the corner, man.
I saw your hand.
You can't see my hand. Not from that angle. I know the angle's in here, dude. You can't see it. I'll call it, but make sure that it comes out before. No, don't stack. Oh, sorry, Elliot. I didn't see the bands. My bad, man.
Hey, whoop. Woo. Head coming out. Head coming out.
Yeah. You're good to cross if you need.
Thank you. Head coming out. Head coming out.
Bang. I know you just came out. Just go.
Well, okay. Well,
Bang. I'm not. Bang.
You got me in the mask, man.
Did I hit you? Yeah, did it hit you though? Did it hit you?
My teammate. My nerd.
Good shot. Dude, that was embarrassing. All right, okay. Good shot.
Yeah, let's do it down there.
Thanks. Got it before you, man. Oh, Chris, I know you just came out. I won't shoot you, man. Here you go. I'm trying, dude. There's a. Okay.
let him go.
Oh, did you guys just come out?
I did.
That's what I'm saying, dude. Just let me through, dude.
Walk in. Give me a walk in.
Yep. I don't know if that's a red or not. Hold on, don't move. There should be someone right there. Right there.
Sit. Hold it.
Don't move, don't move. Don't move. You'll get a shot, dude.
All the way at the end.
All the way at the end?
All the way at the end.
Yeah, there's some guys here. Hey, is this corner clear? Okay, stay right there.
Right there.
Yeah, but... Hey, friends! Oh, yeah, I'll take that. Hit. Yep. Come here. Yeah, you see where these guys are? Hey, Elliot, you could peek it. Good shot. Cam, are they still up there?
No.
Okay. Watch out.
Nice.
One coming. You got it. Got your long, go. Bang. Hey, watch out, you got one behind you. You got one on that L right behind you. He's in that groove somewhere. Bang.
Hey, we're
You're shooting at our dude. Oh, it's me. Ow. I'm good at the rock, man. I don't like the rock very much.
Revolution.
Done. I'll turn it on red if you're not quiet. Daniel! Daniel, you're mean. Watch out, we got one right here. Straight across. He just shot, but he's over there. Yeah, I'm trying. Give me 1 second. I'm trying. Hey, yellow! Bang. Oh, you're good. Go.
Yeah, no, you're good. Good job, man. Good job.
Watch out. 2 right here, 1 right here. Watch out. 2, 1 right there, 1 on your left. Watch out, watch out, watch out.
I'm good, bro. You just point me. I'm good.
1 down. We still have 1 to the left.
There, man, coming through.
You dead? Okay. I think we still have 1 far. Oh, my gun jammed. You good? You good?
I'm good.
Oh, my gun jammed, dude. John, we got 1 down the hallway if you can help. Straight down. Good shot, you got me. Hit!
Me too. I'm in the worst spot.
Howdy. Sorry. If you cover your long, you're good. Like if you cover long, you can move. Because dude, anyone that peeks right here is dead.
Where is he? And which side are you getting?
I've got both. Just cover your long and stay kind of low.
Got him right here.
Told you. Oh, that's yellow. My bad. You're still dead. You're still dead. Sorry, man. I just saw a gun and then started.
I feel you. No,
Oh.
Hit. Hey.
Oh. Yeah, I'm good.
Alright.
Hi. Hey, watch out. You got 1 right there. Ceasefire. Ceasefire.
It's so easy to go.
I think that was you that got him, Dad.
I can't see if he's
One just went down. Watch out. Oh, sorry, Elliot. I'm just seeing shadows, man. 1 went down. Hey, they can pick this up. Come on, man. I just hit you. Thank you. Watch out. Good shot, good shot, good shot. Oh, sorry, man. Sorry. Watch out. Oh, Elliot, that's Elliot. Okay. Watch out behind you. Clear. Bang. Bang, bang.
Hey, come on.
Elliot.
There's 1 right,
You want to go low?
close right, far right, and then left.
Close right, far left?
Close right, far right, and then far left.
Okay. Looks like Dylan's right there in that door.
That guy on the close right, he's right around that corner. Okay,
Go. Oh. Got your phone. I got your phone. I got back door. Watch out, Elliot. Watch your doors. I can't see with that flashlight on. It kind of blurs everything. That was definitely a blind fire. Sounds like your far went down if you want to check. Oh, that didn't sound good. Hey, watch my head.
Got one floor.
I just took one down back door. Go, go, go. Check your doors. Come. What's your color? Yellow. Okay. Elliot, I'm on your right. Copy.
Get out the door. Get out the door.
Trying to get out.
Okay, good.
Remember, he's out there on the ice and you're not. That's all I'm telling you.
Yeah.
Oh, hey, yellow! Bang.
Hey, Austin.
Are they just coming out?
They're about to come out.
Okay, here, let me go, guys. I'll let you guys out of spawn.
No, help me with this hole.
Oh, good shot. Watch out, move.
Bang. Send me a walk.
Buddy, that just hit him. Whatever, dude. I literally just shot a guy in. Bang. Hey, just to let you know, I did get you in the back in this window just a minute ago. Yep.
There's no more responding this time. You're responding right now, man. What's up? From this point on, no more responding. You get shot, don't come out. Make sure you get your hands. Get on.
Oh, John! You came around the wrong corner, man. Yeah, through this door. Right through here. Hey, timed one. I think he did. I'm not seeing him. I think he got him.
I seen you pick my green one up. Guy with a cowboy.
My bad. I can't see the hand, man.
Alright guys, this one on. Building 2 or building 1 is closed. We're not going to the other building. We're not going to the other building.
Did you just shoot him? Yeah, he was the one that I just barely missed in that window. Wearing tan? Yep, that was him. I don't think so. Bang, 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 bang.